Welcome to the Traders Market Intelligence Report brought to you by WBHQ.com. This update is for Monday, May 5th, 2025. Hope you're having a great day. Man, it was a great trading day. Hope you had a good one. Hope it was a good trading week for you as well. As we get started, keep in mind everything we look at is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. If you find something you like, anything, make sure it fits your own personal risk profile and risk tolerance. Right? And if you like what you see, folks, you can follow along with us on all the various social platforms. Make sure you're checking out the information we put out day in and day out. All right, let's start off with the S&P 500. We had a great day today. Man, oh man, Shevitz. Look at that. Let's move this in. Let's escape out of that. There we go. Get a better zoom. So, good gap up today. Great news all around on the market today. We're up 88.5 points, 87.5 points, 87 points. We've got a few minutes left, about 5 or 6 before the market closes up. But whatever it is, we're closing in great territory right now. Bullish bias, rank of 3. But man, we got a high, we have we had lower highs, right? So from this high, we had a higher high and a bunch of higher highs here and here. We're starting to rock and roll a little bit. The H crossed up through the 21 about 4 days ago. We're getting close to crossing through the 55. So we're in bullish territory right now. Pullbacks and bounces are ideal for what we're looking at right now. When we look at the VIX, fear's down about $2 right now. We're at 22.5, 22.63, but man, life is good. I can't complain about a 22.5 when we were at 60 just 3 weeks ago. Go back to the S&P. Let's get some numbers for it. We're still going to do the economic reports, but let's go get some numbers. So right now I'm looking at 55.62 as my downside. That'll be a confluence of the 8. On the upside, 57.87. We're going to need to redraw at some point. I don't have a place to redraw yet. We don't have a pullback, but we could use the previous fibs back here to identify any future levels that do break out above. We've got plenty of them up there, all right? So let's go look at our economic reports and then wrap it up. So come Monday, we've got CPI. That is at, okay, right now I've got all markets on there. Let's put none. Let's go to US only. All right, May 3rd, May 4th, May 5th, more. Okay. Thought we had a lot of reports coming out next week. A lot more than should have been. So on Monday, we've got 10 o'clock PMI, Purchasing Managers Index. That's a big report. Market is open, so caution, grasshopper. If you're in a trade, it could mess you up. Nothing on Tuesday. Wednesday, all three of these. 2 o'clock, 2:30, this is the Fed. Right? This could be an A plus for the market. It could be an F plus or minus or whatever it is, right? As F minus. It's really, really bad. So you're going to see lighter volume on Wednesday. We checked the other night, and when we were in one of the classes, Trip had checked for us. I think we're at a 94% chance that we're going to get a quarter-point raise. Cut, not raise, cut. I don't expect anything. June had a much bigger shot, but not now. Not for this month. So watch the Fed, the 2:30 press conference. Sometimes the reporter throws a question, and the way that Powell answers it, open mouth, insert foot, right? So we got to be very careful. That could affect the overall market. Right, then on Thursday at 8:30, we've got unemployment. Big report for the Fed, but it's not going to affect us unless we are trading futures. And then Waller speaks on Friday. I don't expect anything at 11:30 from Waller that we're not hearing from Powell himself. All right, so with that, ladies and gentlemen, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all at our next update. Happy trading, folks. Bye for now.